Niricson is helping asset owners around the world make their infrastructure safer by creating a digital defect map for asset management and monitoring through time, helping clients optimize their maintenance and rehabilitation budget allocation. Niricson's DRONIC is a multi-layer data collection and fusion architecture that uses advanced optical and thermal sensors, along with a proprietary drone-equipped concrete sounding hammer to collect 3 types of primary data sets to detect surface and subsurface defects. The optical layer of data collection captures ultra-high resolution photos using the best cameras available. By following a strong data collection methodology, we create a digital baseline of the structure using photogrammetry, enabling asset owners to visualize the precise location of all surface defects such as cracks, spalls, slab offsets, efflorescence, vegetation, etc. Next, we use state-of-the-art technology to capture thermal data. The thermal layer allows users to identify defects that are impossible to see with the naked eye. After that, we use our patented drone-equipped concrete-sounding hammer that collects thousands of acoustic points to identify delaminated areas on the asset. Once we have captured the data using DRONIC, we apply our machine learning algorithms to automatically identify and quantify surface and subsurface level defects. Niricson technology eliminates subjectivity in defect identification, allowing for the detection of over 30% more defects than traditional inspection methods. With built-in change detection capabilities based on millions of images from real-world civil assets, AUTOSPEX uses powerful tools like comparison mode, surface profile tool, focus area, 3D viewer, location feature, and defect assessment allow engineers to make the best decisions based on reliable data.